Captivate your audience with a story, presentation, or explanation like you're standing right in front of them making eye contact. Your ability to write and draw in front of you grabs and holds the viewer's attention. Your story comes alive in real time from the tip of a marker. This is the Revolution Lightboard. It's like a transparent whiteboard made of glass, but internal lighting makes your writing glow. Create videos by filming through the lightboard and then mirroring the image so writing looks correct to the viewer. The presenter enjoys the familiar feel of writing on a whiteboard, but can maintain eye contact with the audience without obscuring their writing. This builds confidence in the presenter and streamlines the creation of presentations that can be streamed live or to create pre-recorded videos. Lightboards are used in schools, corporate training, online courses, and even live audience presentations or conference calls. Creating and engaging with your lightboard is fast and easy. Just turn on the lights, grab a marker, and hit record. For users who want a plug-and-play solution, we have studio packages which include everything you need to get started. It includes lighting, camera, backdrops, and more. Our tabletop lightboard range is perfect for those with limited space or for creating content in an office rather than a studio. We also offer a range of height-adjustable freestanding systems, including the largest lightboard available on the market. It has enough room for 2 presenters. Revolution Lightboards have been designed and refined with direct university and industry input. They're custom engineered and manufactured using top quality materials. This, paired with our history of customer support, has made us the go-to resource for lightboard needs across industries. Check out our website at revolutionlightboards.com, where you'll find great resources and testimonials from customers like you.
To me, it truly is about the people. The people are phenomenal. The technology is stupid cool. And whatever you're trying to accomplish, if it's training, teaching, whatever it is, I'm telling you, they're going to be blown away. Because I think one of the things that people see with me, even on LinkedIn, are like, wow, that's cool. I get inquiries all the time, how'd you do that? And then the second question is like, how'd you learn how to write backwards? Depends what day it is if I want to give them the answer or not. So anyway, thanks Kevin, thanks Revolution, good seeing you guys.